Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Presentation my videos the digital marketing versus social media marketing and your business. Reach your business. You are two system away your market research and market planning and your business grow your small business, your medium business or big business. Friends, please subscribe my channel and viewers comments and thank you very much watching my videos. Friends, how to presentation my videos top to 1 to 10 minutes that plus important point in the presentation, my tutorial, my motivational space and my class and my lecture. Today's the lecture, the digital marketing versus social media marketing. Digital marketing and social media marketing difference between the to contain the what is the digital marketing, what digital marketing tools, and what is the social media marketing and social media planning and digital marketing versus social media marketing. Digital marketing, the step the understanding digital marketing, various social media marketing leads and the digital marketing and digital marketing any online marketing strategy that defense of digital technology including the internet, digital marketing including social media marketing, video marketing, affiliate marketing, pay per click advertising and many more. What is the digital marketing and tools? What is the digital marketing essential and understanding digital marketing barriers and the social media to complete the model of digital marketing and this organic social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, paid social media marketing, social media channels and video hosting tools and SEO, etc. What is the social media marketing? The social media marketing are important space of digital marketing, various social media marketing. It is the fact that the social media marketing in part of social media marketing and the create your website and Instagram, Facebook, etc. The creating contain of various social media platform in audience instigation with the creation potential customer and development and online process are the all come and in social media marketing effort. Social media marketing important and the digital marketing various social media marketing tools and strong guidelines and practice. Number one, the strategy, the content and engagement and data analytic and commercial ads and digital marketing versus social media marketing. World digital marketing effort records and social media marketing is a standard engagement and the successful employment of social media marketing strategy, which is question of the digital marketing various social media marketing. You should tramp a follower the difference. Digital marketing is any marketing carried out on digital platform including offline and online. Well, social media marketing is a type of digital marketing create and social media use and social media website, channel and forums, etc. Friends, digital marketing often speak and reach awareness by reach and audience and various technology. However, social media marketing contain is the audience through the social media channel and platforms. The digital media need to embed or effect advertisement in the permission, the location, like the billionaire and TV's commission, and then billboard, TVs, and others. In success, the social media significant defend on the content strategy. All companies, the electronics base and advertise, defense and industries board and category digital media, social media marketing is understand because the social media engage the platform. Digital media platform tools and sales social media because until from very communication object launching and completely and analytic and brand your awareness and many more. Type of social and digital marketing and campaign their language. The search engine marketing use the enough to date of social media and the advertising search engine content strategy, social media platform, the platform and campaign, the social media platform, and using paid advertising and Facebook, Instagram, and many more. The mobile make the promote create and apps and games uploading, and there's the Apple and Store and the Google Play Store. Should be including social media marketing, your digital marketing campaign. The social media marketing has been the necessary to digital world in the necessary campaign. They are great brand for some customer and grow your collectors and including. When the completed to the type of digital media and digital marketing and social media marketing, if you train the great response more quick and then majorly your brand business and brand must be increase the additional digital marketing electrics. There are digital strategy in this audience of social media marketing. They are maximum benefits and the turn of investment your the grow ultimately grow your revenues and organic traffic. Better digital or social marketing? Which is the better social or digital marketing? Digital marketing, the various and social media marketers can combine the significant depends on object who brand digital has been around the long time and social media more recent. The social media marketing has quick enough to the current and this the marketing of many campaign. It is should be keep core and the marketing strategy. There are possible the client but social media or digital marketing activities should identify use than the others. How to choose the between digital marketing and social media marketing? Digital marketing, various social media marketing, it choose better than and this is not advertised to do and however create specific will help choose one of the both in or the make marketing more effective and features. Theoretical knowledge, personal integration, great goal. Work in digital or social media marketing do not query a marketing defense or degrees both is career positive level person and person who is no from marketing expert. However, a course in cover and digital marketing training at least etc etc. The personal interest, which is marketing strategy, create and how to defend any person broad friend and progress space and train analysis project many code explains and take noted increase in growth and personal fledgling record goal both social media marketing and digital marketing possible increase in growth through more public and the so given in social media marketing and digital marketing strategy. The conclusion, a digital marketing management world of the request and over the importance of the plan and ads and the company in achieve the marketing object to process the knowledge to the various digital marketing display on of the hard social media marketing and manage. A digital marketing managed world will request over the importance of planning that idea and campaign achieve the marketing object process your knowledge and digital marketing the friends I could present my videos the digital marketing versus social media marketing and the social media marketing tools and social media marketing and social media marketing digital marketing versus social media marketing. Digital marketing and effort the requirement on social media marketing to ensure state engagement and successfully employ and marketing strategy. Who can question and digital marketing and social media marketing? Digital marketing any or creative or digital platform and social media marketing and social media platform digital marketing and others marketing. So friends, please Thank you very much watching my videos. You can your business and highly grow and benefit, earn more money income must be used in your website, your web page, your content, etc., etc. Digital marketing and social media marketing very important part of digital marketing, digital platforms. Thank you. Best of luck.